Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to get Instagram++ on any device that's able to get AppCake installed on it. So if you don't know what Instagram++ is, it's basically like a regular Instagram but with so many cool and dope features. So as you can see, this really weird icon right here, that is Instagram++. I don't know why they changed up the icon. I'm sure there's some legal thing they had to do. But as soon as you open up, you can see it looks just like Instagram, and it really is just Instagram but with more additional features. If you see that little plus up top, you'll see a bunch of different settings, and these aren't even all of them. These are just some of them. And they offer a ton of cool little features, and in order to install it, you want to make sure you delete your actual Instagram, so go and delete that if you want to fully go through. Now as of today, this method is still working, but that doesn't mean it's going to work forever, so keep that in mind. Now like I stated before, you want to make sure you have AppCake installed, which is this app right here. If you don't have it installed, it's really easy. Click that first link down in the description. It'll take you to a video that I made like a month or two ago, and it'll show you exactly how to install it. It's not a long process. It does take a couple steps, but watch that video, then come back here and you can be able to install it. And it's still working on my iPhone 11 right now, so it's pretty much going to work on all devices. Now once you have AppCake installed, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click it open, and you'll be presented with a bunch of different tweaks and different apps like that. All you want to do is you want to click the tweaked app little icon right here. Now you could search it, but for some reason every time I search it, it just never goes through, which is so annoying. So I always have to scroll through and find it. Now you will see Rocket for Instagram, which for some reason is not working right now. So you can try installing that, but for me it didn't work. What you want to do is scroll down a little bit more until you eventually see Instagram++, which you can see is right here. Now when you click it, you'll see a bunch of different information, and you can read more about it. You can even see they have not updated the screenshot in a while. But what you want to do is, instead of clicking install up there, which for some reason they show 50 ads when you try to install it, you want to go back and you just want to click get right there. Now when you click get, it'll go ahead and show you an ad eventually anyway. But these ones are more manageable because you can just skip them like this and skip them like this. And then it'll start kind of going through and saying compression, installing, completed, all that stuff. It should take about like another minute or two. Now I've already installed it, so maybe it'll allow me to install it again. I can just cancel out of this one and go through. As you can see, I just deleted that one. Now I'm back. Now hopefully this thing, yeah, as you can see, it's still going through. And now as you can see, we'll eventually get a little pop-up that should say install if it didn't already go through. I should have gotten that pop-up. I don't know why that just happened. But if for some reason, okay, now we get it. That was really weird. So once you see that little pop-up, you can go in and click install. You can hop out and you'll see a little icon on your home screen that looks like that. And it will eventually download and all that stuff, and you should be able to get it on your device. And as you can see it fully downloaded, I can go ahead and open and go ahead and go through my settings and log in. Now, again, this is a third-party app, so you can trust it, but again, you do your own research and all that stuff. Make sure you don't get your Instagram account banned. If you do get a ban, I have a tutorial on this channel on how to fix that, but that's pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.